is Kimmy. She's got a cat hat on. There we are. With the cat. This is the blizzard of 2013. There it is. The snow is going up to there. There's a rough thing about it.
It's cold!
Kyle says it's cold. It's pretty much stopped. It's kind of drifting around a bit. There's a lot of wind, and we have to go shovel the walk. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, come on. I'm showing you our sign shovel. Here we go. Come on, so everybody getting prepped. This is me getting prepped. We're going to go, and we're going to go out and we're going to shovel. So we got some more. Alright, here we go. This is the blizzard of 2013. This is our driveway. Kimmy is going to make a snow angel. You ready? Go, Ryan, do it. Oh, nice. Do it. Make the angel. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Kimmy stuck. Ryan, are you stuck? Kimmy's stuck. It's pretty good. Come on. Come on, Ryan. This is Ryan. He's 11. I'm not recording this. I'm not. Come on, get up. You want me to delete? Alright. Come on, where's your glove? You lost the glove. Here it is. Ryan's glove. Come on, I'll drag you. Kyle, I still didn't put his coat on. He does not think this is hot enough. Alright, start shoveling. Kyle, start working that way towards the house. What's the measurement? 28 inches in our drift. Start going that way. Yeah. There's Kimmy's snow angel, by the way. There it is. There she goes. It's a little deep. Can't get over there. Go ahead, yeah, we can do. Nice. You gonna make her front end? Oh, jeez, this is deep, right? This is deep. Holy jeez, this is deep. It's crazy snow. I'm in past my knees. I'm going to where Kimmy is. This is our yard. We're kind of suspended on the snowbank right now, several inches above the ground. So it's a little more packed out. Yeah, look how the drift caved out that little. There goes Kimmy. Alright. What's your measurement there? Kimberly is an official Skywarn spotter. She is taking official weather measurements. Alright, go ahead. Biggest drift. Yardstick gone? Couple inches gone. That's a meter stick. Well, yard. 36 inch. Yeah. And look at our deck. It's all up to the grill. Shed's all snowed in. This is a lot of snow. There's no question. There's a lot, but it's all drifty. See, it's like the composter. It drifted away from there. Cool drift patterns. Still windy a little bit. Kimmy's taking measurements. I'll go check see how the boys are doing. Alright, we got a shovel. Oh man, this is deep snow. That's a deep drift. Alright, there we go. Kyle making awesome progress. Kyle stole my shovel. And because of my shovel, he stole my shovel, he needs to be more efficient at shoveling. There he goes. Hey! See, what a helpful boy. Helpful Kyle. Helpful Ryan. Alright, one more thing I want to show. Kyle seems to have a double shovel technique that he's going to demonstrate right now. Double shovel. See what he's got. Ready to go. Alright, not very effective. Okay, not. Evidence shows not effective. Alright. Alright, that's right. Alright, we're gonna sign off. In the blizzard of 2013. It's a lot of snow. So that's it. So we're Ryan's getting trapped by the garbage can. Ryan's trapped. Alright, we're signing off now. Goodbye. Goodbye from snowy New England. Oh, Ryan's down. Man down. Man down! Man down! Kyle making whiny noises. Whiny. It's cold and windy, no question. Little Bill Miller over there shoveling out. You got it? Alright. The snow is tasty. Tasty. Oh, we're stuck. Get him, honey, get him. Alright. Careful. Alright, good job. Huh? Excuse him. Oh, with him? Honey, he'll look right through the cat. Yeah. Alright, ready? Snow angel number 2. In the driveway. Come on, honey. Yep. Alright. Do it. Good job. Now get up. Okay. Say hello to Midge. Good job. Alright, we're gonna get her up. Alright, I'll sign off. Again, this is the Blizzard of 2013. First sorry for Bill Miller over there. Official measurement is what? 28 inches from Skywarn Weather Spotter. 28 inches. Here it is. Largest drift 46? That's crazy. Alright, there we go. Wind's picking up.
Uh-oh. They've disappeared in the snow. Hey, they look the same. How is it?
It's not that cold, is it?
Well, it would be if you lied there for a while. It's a whole lot of limbs. Yes. What's happening?
Get him, Mike, get him. Get him. Oh, okay. Oh, did you hit him with your pom-poms? Very good. Get Mama!